Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar from Solo Marketer here. And in this video, I want to quickly talk about what the heck happened to the System.io marketplace. Just kind of quickly go over what happened, why it just disappeared, and also what you can do now as an affiliate, right? Because you still have the option to promote other people's products or System.io, but it's a little bit trickier now. So we'll cover that as well. But first of all, yeah, for those who don't know, there used to be in your System.io backend, there used to be a fourth option under Student Dashboard. There's a Marketplace option. So I'm just pulling like a past video of mine, a training on the affiliate marketplace. So you can see here under Dashboard, there's a Marketplace option, and the Marketplace was something like this, right? It's just essentially people posted their products, and yeah, you could promote them as an affiliate, or you can post your own products and somebody else can promote your product basically, right, in exchange for a commission. So it was really convenient and really easy. So it was quite the shock for a lot of people that it just disappeared for seemingly no reason, right? And I emailed the support myself and just to kind of quote what they gave as a reason why they shut it down is, yeah, the public System.io marketplace was discontinued to allow them to focus more on improving the core features of the platform. While this feature is no longer available, the affiliate marketing tools for promoting your own products are still fully supported. So we're going to kind of look at that as well. So yeah, just because the marketplace is gone, it doesn't mean that you can't promote System.io or any other product pages that were built on System.io. It's just going to be a little bit more manual, and it is what it is basically. So the big question is, how do you promote System.io? And that answer is pretty simple. You go to Dashboard, Affiliate Dashboard. There's a link down here, right? If you click on the link icon and then you open it in a new page, it shows like your affiliate link, right, with this additional portion. And anyone who signs up through this, either for the free account or for a paid account, you get the credit, right? So that's pretty simple. But what if you want to promote, let's say, a specific page on System.io, like a specific sales page, or you want to promote someone else's product, right? So let's say this was built on System.io. This is my own product, and let's say you want to promote it, right? This is the link, but if you just share the link, I won't be able to tell that you were the one, promoting it. And if somebody bought through you sharing this link, it's just I can't give you credit, right? So essentially, what you want to do is you want to attach like an affiliate ID next to the link, and it looks something like this. Some of you have probably seen it. For those who haven't, so this is essentially the link, right? Like this one, solomarketerfunnels.com/FBC. That's the base link. So this is the blue part, right? This is, you keep it as is, and then in order for you, let's say as an affiliate, to promote it and actually get credit, you need to add this part. You need to type in $SA equal, just manually, and then comes the affiliate ID. So where do you get the affiliate ID? You go back to your dashboard, and this is it. You just click on this little icon. You click on copy, right? So for this link, it would look something like this. SA equals, right? That's that part, the red part that you type in, and then goes the affiliate ID, right? The affiliate ID is this part. The green part we just talked about, which is this one. This is the affiliate ID. This is if you want to promote someone else's product, whether it's a System.io or just a page that was on System.io. Any page that was built on it, you can promote it. If you want someone else to promote it, so essentially you need to tell them this same thing, or you can then direct them to this video, right? Let me explain it. And also you need to make sure that your own product and your own affiliate kind of program is set up correctly on your backend. So let's say, yeah, somebody wants to promote your product, but you need to go into your own settings and you need to set up the kind of like the default ones, the default settings, how much the commission is, what's the minimum payout, how soon after the purchase you're going to pay out. So all that stuff, you need to go to settings and you need to go to affiliate program, right? And you need to set these parameters. These are the default ones. This is pretty standard, 40% for a digital product. And it can be higher, it can be lower. That kind of depends on your product, your business. And the second tier, that's kind of like the affiliate can then get someone else in, and I don't know, it's kind of like a two-tier system. I don't know how to explain it. Kind of like a smaller version of a pyramid scheme, so to say, or an MLM. I usually keep this to zero. I just do like one level. And minimum payout amount, that's up to you. but I would make it more than $5 just so you don't have to like pay out every single. You want to incentivize people to promote your product as much as possible, as opposed to like they get one $7 commission, then they bail, right? So if you set it to 30, also transaction fees, right? If you like need to pay every $7 commission, pay it out every time, as opposed to paying it out in bulk. So that's also kind of, yeah, don't go too crazy, but smallest I've seen is like 20, 30. The biggest ones are like 100, 200 that I've seen. So it differs, but I would keep the default one if you don't have a number here. And payout delay. This one kind of depends on whether you have a refund period. So in my case, let's say I have a 30-day money back, right? So this one is on my actual real account. This is a dummy account, but on my real account, this is set to 31, I think, right? So once someone who's purchased has gone past the 30-day money back, only then I can actually pay the commission. Because let's say there is a 30-day money back, right? And I pay the commission out instantly, and that person who bought it, they decide to refund. So I'm not going to go and ask for the commission back, right? To the affiliate that I already paid out. So that's why you give it like a little bit of a delay. And also there's another one, affiliate commission payouts. You just can kind of connect your own, how you're going to pay out, kind of your own payment processor. So that's kind of on the overall level, right? If you want to everyone else to promote your products, you need to give them the information on a link. You need to set this up, and also on a sales funnel level, if you go to a sales funnel, there we go, this funnel. So you also need to set it up in a way where whatever your funnel is, whatever they're promoting, you also need to set it up here, affiliate commission, whatever it is, right? And then the payout delay. So that's for any sales page, upsell page, whatever it is, you need to set these up. Don't forget, on funnel level, these things, you need to double check them as well. And yeah, it's a little bit more manual. Hopefully it makes sense. You can definitely drop a comment down below the video if maybe I skipped over something. But yeah, just remember, promoting System.io, copy this link. That's the System.io, kind of like a website link. That's the simplest way, right? And if you want to kind of go more granular, whatever the page is, whether it's the System.io page or someone else's page built on System.io, this is the link, the original link. Then you type in this, and then you add in your affiliate ID, which can be found over here. Copy it, right? So maybe a couple more steps, but it is still pretty simple. But yeah, just to kind of, in many words, just to answer your question, what happened and what you can do now, right? How you can still be an affiliate for other people's products, or how can others promote your products. So hopefully it answered the question. If you have more, feel free to comment below, subscribe if you found this useful, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.